Morning guys, welcome back to my channel, Zl1 here. Today's video I'm going to be installing an oil catch can by, who is it by? UPR. And it's pretty simple, but you see a whole bunch of videos on YouTube, but I'm going to just do it myself and just, let's see how it goes. My buddy Ismail is going to help me. I'm also going to be installing the Zl1 RockGuards today. I have both of them, might as well do it in one video. So let's get to it. Yeah, because the one I saw, it clips. You have to pull this one out. God damn, how the fuck do you pull this one out? Ugh. Yeah.
Did it come with a screw or a bolt?
Yeah, they're right
Oh,
here.
that's the kit right there.
Yeah. Alright, so this tube is going to go right there. Shorter one is going to go there. The longer one, this one, connects to this one over here. So we just gotta pull this one out.
Oh, okay.
Oh, fuck, all the paper's flying. Here, hold it.
You got it, bro.
There you go. Ooh.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, they go at the end of the, right here.
Okay.
So then these metal ones would go, insert them right there, and then afterwards put that on. So when are you gonna supercharge the Mustang?
I'm not gonna do anything like that to it.
No?
Nothing.
Are you doing anything else?
Nothing, because honestly, I just replaced the AC compressor belt, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh shit, that twisted hell is easy.
Oh shit.
Because I've seen videos of where people are like having a hard time twisting it around. Look at that.
Fighting with it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was hella easy. So you just put the metal insert right there.
I mean, it's because I just recently replaced the AC in that one.
But why? I like it. Oh shit. And just start twisting it. My hands don't fit.
Are you threading it right now? Yeah, I
Yeah.
see you're in there just turning it. So explain to us, what is the purpose of an oil catch can?
To catch the leftover oil that would have been recycled into your engine.
Oh, okay.
So I think you check it like every 5,000 miles, or basically just whenever you change the oil.
Okay.
And it slowly starts catching up right there.
Because I've seen on some older cars what they catch in there gets hella dirty.
Yeah. It actually makes a difference.
Yeah.
So I'm surprised that no cars come with these. And I got in red, so I was very happy.
Record this bit?
Yeah. So let's see. We put this one. Voila. Oh, you know what? Damn. I already fucked it up.
I was thinking that too. I was like, it doesn't need that. I'm like,
damn. See, guys, this is why you actually pay attention.
oh shit.
Oh, fuck me. Damn. Stop recording. Oh fuck! It doesn't want to come out.
It's not going to. Fuck.
Fuck my life.
Does this come out like out of the manifold? Could try to. Oh, there we go. And then try to pull it out right now.
No, what the fuck?
So it's fucking stuck in there.
Oh, you know why?
What?
Look at the edges.
Oh shit. It's riveted.
No, wait. Yeah, it should make it harder for it to pull out.
God damn.
Oh well. I think it should be good without this.
As long as you don't see it leaking.
Yeah.
So I'll just wash out if you got any oil on this radiator
I gotta
hose.
pump it out. Alright, remember guys, both ends have to have these fittings right here. Don't do what I did. Because then you're just gonna have a hard time pulling it back out. That's what she said.
Whoa.
Alright. Now the right way. Both fittings are on.
And that's pretty much it, I guess.
Yeah, that's pretty
Oh, we
much it.
still
We
gotta
just gotta
tighten
tighten
that.
it.
What size is that? Do you know?
I think 10.
Is it 10?
Yeah. Here, you want to do the honors?
All right. Something to check that.
Damn, can't believe I forgot to add this.
Hold on, let me get a shorter second. And I think it's probably 12.
It's 12?
Or it feels like a 12. Not, oh, yeah, it is.
It's a 12?
Yep.
Alright.
Do you know the torque spec?
Nope.
Alright, then fuck it. We'll do it by feel.
As long as it's tight. Is that upright?
The thing?
Yeah, is it stand? No. Is it?
You want it?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Just gonna tighten that.
It's harder with the cable, huh?
Alright. Just hold it right there.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Alright, that should be good enough.
Yeah. Voila.
Nice.
Damn, I still can't believe I forgot the fitting. Oh well. But yeah.
You should be fine with that.
Yeah.
Like I said, as long as nothing leaks out under here.
Because if it starts leaking, then I'm gonna have to take it off and put this in. I'm gonna save it. All right, that's pretty much it to install it. It's pretty easy. But let's get to the rock guards. Whatchamacallit? Here, hold it. The little the tool to pull out the clips. Fuck. Yeah, there you go. I couldn't remember what it was. Here it is.
Oh, hell yeah.
That makes it much easier.
I remember using these when I worked at Subaru.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh no, that's Mazda. Yeah, because I remember the commercial, so I was like zoom, zoom, zoom.
I
But
thought
I'm
you were
like,
just saying that. I don't even remember those Mazda.
but then I'm like, no, that's Mazda. Said turn the wheel.
Yeah, so let's just do this one first. So I would turn all the way to the left.
Oh, other way. Right there? Dude, I went to the dealership the other day and I got the brake pedal covers installed. They look so much nicer. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that looks pretty well.
Because when I bought it, they didn't install it.
So these are the front ones?
Does it say front? Okay, rear. The other ones are the front. Alright. So I washed the car yesterday, but I forgot to clean the area right here. So I am going to be using a glass cleaner. Chemical, guys. You think it's going to work?
I guess.
It'll clean something.
I mean, it'll take something off, man. We don't got anything else.
Fuck it.
Unless you want to make the trip to AutoZone right now and just do that shit.
That's so much work. Oh shit. This one's like halfway in. Damn, these. When I was doing this on my RT, when I put the rock guards, it was a fucking beep. Because I was doing it out on the street.
Yeah.
So I literally had to watch out for cars.
I'd be terrified, especially the way people drive down here.
Oh yeah. Fuck.
Oh, you're good. You could just pull it out.
There we go.
I told myself I'm not gonna buy any more cars.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna upgrade or nothing like that.
Till when?
Until I guess the Subaru doesn't work anymore. But considering it's that 90s Japanese quality, it's gonna go forever.
Plus, parts are gonna be hella easy to look for, no?
Oh yeah, they're hella cheap. It's cleaning. It's cleaning something. Look at the rag.
You're right.
Damn. It got something.
That was dirty.
So
It smells good.
Yeah.
Oh, it is cleaning it.
So you should be good. What'd you do if you started to see your paint strip away?
Oh fuck! Don't tell me that. Damn, this shit was hella dirty right here. Look at that. God damn.
Oh, that's normal, I guess.
Yeah. It was just hella dirty. I think that should be good. Because the tape just goes like right here.
Oh, nice.
See? I can't do this on the street.
What side is this? Oh, yeah. So, what are these for?
Protect the paint. Fuck. So when you're driving, like all the rocks would be hitting right here. And then the rear when you're doing burnouts.
Oh, shit.
That definitely helps it.
When I was doing dumb stuff, that would have been nice to have.
I was trying to see if they had any for your Mustang, but they don't.
They don't? Either way, I'm going to take care of that.
From this company, they don't.
Oh, okay. Either way,
sure you can find it
I'm going to take care of that car. He's hitting away right now.
Yeah.
I'm going to start taking care of that car. No more burnouts, no more donuts, no more racing.
You got to do a few donuts.
Nah,
well, at least burnouts.
I've done it. I've done enough donuts already and burnouts. I've done enough of those.
Forget the donuts. You still got to do a burnout.
Well, if I'm trying to be a cop.
Are you?
Yeah. I was going to have a physical test on the 6th of next month, but they canceled it and moved it to, I think, July or August.
For what department?
CHP.
They're the ones that get paid more.
Yeah. And they're the ones I don't need to go to college for. I mean, I got college credits, but I mean... Just letting you know, if I'm being watched, I have to, and I pull you over, I have to ticket you.
Give me a discount.
Give you a discount code for a speeding ticket. Show it to the judge.
There you go.
It's like, oh yeah, I also got a promo.
And it's got his signature on it.
Yeah.
Fuck. can't get the safe. Oh, there you go. You got it.
That's only if I'm being watched.
By your supervisor?
Yeah, that's if I'm being watched. Or I don't know.
I'll come back and fix that one. Let's see. Fuck. So the front splash guards are on. They look cool. It's actually pretty hard to put in the clips back in, even though they got like a little indentation for you to insert them, but it's still pretty hard. Now, let's do the back ones. So for the rear mud guards, you only have to pull out two of these push clips. I pulled out the one up here, but the rock guard doesn't reach up here, so it's only 2 clips that you need to pull out. I'm ready for burnouts.
Oh god.
Oh god.
I just bought these tires.
The rear bumper guards are on. They look good. What do you think, Ismail? How much horsepower would it have?
I gotta say at least 15.
15 horsepower?
15 horsepower. And
because the aerodynamics, you know, like the air
and,
hitting right there and all that.
Like an additional maybe 10 pound-feet of torque.
10 pound-feet of torque? Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Pretty good.
So I'm faster?
Pretty much.
Oh shit, I'm fast. Speed, I am speed. Famous quote by Lightning McQueen.
That's how I was when I...
Well, thank you to my buddy Ismail for letting me use his driveway, because I don't have one. So I installed the oil catch can, the Zl1 RockGuards. Whew. I'm ready for burnouts.
I'll say you're ready to not sure, but it looks better now.
Yeah. Right, well that's pretty much it for the video, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.